Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P0299 Turbo Supercharger Underboost condition. What I have here is a turbocharger. And when you're getting P0299, it means that the turbocharger is not producing enough boost. When there's not enough boost, you're going to notice all sorts of symptoms. For example, you're going to notice poor engine performance. You're going to notice that when you step on the gas pedal, you're going to notice that the vehicle is going to accelerate kind of slow. You're going to notice poor gas mileage. You're going to notice the check engine light is going to turn on. You're going to notice smoke coming out of the tailpipe. And of course, if there's something wrong with the turbocharger, you're going to notice odd noises coming from the turbocharger. For example, you're going to notice whistling noise, whining noise, grinding noise, and so on. If you're hearing whistling noise or whining noise, that could be a sign that there's something wrong with the turbine. If the turbine is failing, it is going to make all sorts of noise. In addition to that, if the bearings and the turbocharger start to fail, you're going to hear a grinding noise. Also, if you notice smoke coming out of the exhaust, it is going to be caused by a bad seal inside the turbocharger. When that seal is bad, it's going to allow oil to seep inside the exhaust. And of course, because the exhaust is extremely hot, the oil is going to burn and you're going to notice smoke coming out of the tailpipe. Furthermore, if the turbocharger on the inside is cracked as well, it can also cause engine oil to go inside the exhaust system. Also, if you hear a scraping noise coming from the turbocharger, it is going to be caused by the turbine in the turbocharger scraping the inside of the turbocharger. This is going to be caused by a bad bearing. And when that bearing is bad, the shaft and the turbine is going to start to move. And again, it's going to scrape the inside of the turbocharger. Just because you're getting 2099 code, it does not necessarily mean you got a bad turbocharger. A lot of things can cause an underboost condition. For example, if you have a loose hose on the turbocharger, it can cause underboost condition. Also, you need to make sure that the intercooler hose is not loose, and you need to make sure that the intercooler is not damaged as well. And also, it is important to check the air filter. If the air filter is extremely clogged and it is dirty and it cannot suck in that much air because, again, it is clogged, it is going to cause the turbocharger to work a lot harder and you're going to notice underboost conditions. Next, it is important to check the exhaust system. Since the turbocharger relies on the exhaust gas for the turbine to spin, and if the exhaust gas is leaking caused by a cracked exhaust manifold or a bad exhaust gasket, again, it can cause an underboost condition because now that turbocharger is not working efficient. So once again, just because you're getting 2099, it does not necessarily mean that you got a bad turbocharger. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.